We are planning to build multiple projects in Australia and around the world. Our key market is the renewable storage solution space, which is a very rapidly growing market in Australia and indeed the world.
The complexity of this solution was quite a challenge, a really interesting challenge for the team, and really allowed us to bring all of our engineering experience and expertise to the table to develop this complex solution that will supply such green solutions for the market. RayGen approached BAMS in 2023 requiring a very unique solution for their problem. They just finished validating their concept for their concentrated solar array and were looking to scale up in a highly automated environment. So over the period of about 15 months, we've worked together with RayGen, bringing Bosch's automotive experience in automation to the table, working with them to enhance their products and develop this game-changing solution that will really accelerate their time to market.
Because RayGen were generous enough to have some faith in us, our team was able to work very decisively, knowing that their expertise was both valued and trusted in. They were able to make decisions and suggest changes to the project that were better aligned for the project's goals rather than a decision being made by a leadership team.
Speed of manufacture is critical for RayGen. They have a huge volume of heliostats that need to be deployed on every site that they build up. So being able to deploy a field a day allows them to get through a complete site in less than a year and be then able to deploy the next site with that same equipment in a very timely manner.
The BAMS solution really enables us to scale that out at the rate that we think it can be delivered into the market. BAMS really rose to the top of a pretty short list of capable organisations. Working with the Bosch Australian Manufacturing Solutions team has been a very collaborative process. We have some very like-minded engineers on both sides at RayGen and in the BAMS organisation, and so we've pulled very closely together as an engineering and technical team to deliver what we think is a world-class outcome.